Okay, welcome back, welcome. We are playing a new game today, just when you thought I couldn't add any more games to our repertoire here. Here's another one. We're playing Warhammer Vermintide today, and I was just recently introduced to this game. I never heard of it before, I didn't really know anything about it. Now I know like a little bit about it, but still lots to learn.
Is dying.
Oh.
And forgiveness is dead. I could not give her what she sought.
Give me 1
The
second.
blessed sisters of
Just to adjust the volume. Sorry the game's weird where I can't, like, you can see it's not here right now, but we're still here. Hello, Dark Player. And Miles has already bred Dragona. Wait a minute, okay. We'll get into the lore at some point. But right now, we're here to have fun. So, hello everybody. Hello, Dark Player. Hello, Miles. Dragona has already been bred. Thank you. Keeping her well bred, Miles, as always. She looks a little creepy now, though, so just breed her a little harder next time, okay? But she's still our cute little Dragona. And Rapid is here. Hello, Rapid. Nerd. And you are all here to nerd out with me. So, we're vermintiding. We're hammering. We're warhammering. It's hammer time. That's why I did that. Get it? Yes, thank you, Dark Player. I think you might have shared that in the Discord, which is why you guys also want to be in the Discord, because people in it are awesome and share awesome links. Not just me. But yeah, thank you for sharing that. A few days ago, this game was entirely free on Steam. I think there's still a pretty good deal going on right now. It might be like, well, you have to check in your area. I don't want to say prices and then I'm wrong and don't quote me, but there's a lot of good sales going on Steam right now. Obviously, like, Black Friday just happened, so check it out. This game is really good. I have played as Carillion, the elf. She's wicked cool. And I just started playing as Sienna, who's also really freaking cool. So, look at her. I think we'll start with Sienna, and then we'll kind of go from there. What's new? I mean, besides this game, because I keep adding new games. Not much with me. Same old for me, really. Living the life. Okay, so let's, like, load up a game. I don't know if we'll be with bots or with, like, random people. Tell me we're not, like, lagging. No, we're not lagging. Tell me we're not lagging. Oh, no. If it's lagging a little bit for you guys, let me know, because that sucks. I'm just gonna run around for a second. Oh, a gate. What's this? Huh. How's the significant other? That's so funny of you to ask. Doing great. Why do you ask? It's not lagging? Okay, maybe it was just when we loaded into the lobby. No, it's still kind of weird on my end. It's looking weird. Because you're trying to be polite, Rapid, and you're usually such a little shit. That's so funny. I can tell you're trying really hard for me. It's not, I don't think, okay, I think everything else is good. I'm just checking all my stuff. It's a little laggy, Miles. Yeah, right? What's up with that? Why is it doing that? I mean, I did want to play this with you guys tonight, but not if it's gonna, like, give us all a headache. Today, this morning, it's morning time. I'm very trying. Whatever do you mean? Do you guys think we should try a match and like hopefully it doesn't hurt our head too much? I mean, like, yeah, there's something going on. Ding dang. Oh, we can join a lobby. I see. I've been doing like quick play. Keaton Wise, hello, hello. You have a question? I can't guarantee I have an answer, but you can ask it. We could possibly try a lobby, and if it's really bad, we will switch games, I suppose. I just have to make sure it's recruit, because we are new to this. Do I just like, here we go, join? Oh. Your hero is unavailable. Okay, I guess we're gonna be the elf team. Elf it is. Rapid the Chaos Demon. It's like your alter username. That's so weird. Sorry, team. I thought this would work. Maybe we should have done quick play. Oh, man. Maybe it's worse this way. Afterthoughts. Okay.
Nice shot, darling.
Did we like die already? Or like in there? Yeah, it's just a little... Let's have fun with it while we can. It's just a little laggy on the movement.
Look at that armored breach. We're late with sense.
Ah!
Hey, the really is out shooting us all at the moment. Get it up, darling.
Alright, let's get our arrow out. Here we go. Oh, oh. Gotcha. Oh, what am I insinuating here? Me insinuate? What do we do with this thing? Usually just destroy. That's usually the plan of action here. Destroy. I don't think her arrows are gonna like bust his armor well. And she's got this stealthy little move here where I think I'm invisible. I think, right? I'm pretty sure. Like I said, I've been playing the witch and I didn't read her abilities. How dare you? Alright, here we go. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Why aren't we shooting him? No. Ah! We've fallen behind. Run. Here we go. I didn't answer Keaton because Keaton Wise, I didn't answer your question because there's a time and a place for those questions, and it's not here or now. These are just my gamer girl streams. I like to come here and really just have fun gaming with you guys. That's why we keep it pretty tame, vanilla. So that is why I did not answer your question. Time and a place, not here or now. Really click around. You know, the internet is a large world wide web, as they say. There are places for that. I'm definitely no kink shaming here. Like, when Rapid says he's sure I've destroyed plenty with my thighs. Of course. I've told you guys I've tried to crush a watermelon between my thighs. A few other things. But I can only go into so many details, and that's all I'll say there. We just have to know when to, like, cut it off, you know? And most of you guys really do get that, so that's cool. And that's why we can have so much fun on these gamer girl streams. Ah! We're fine, we're fine, we're fine! Just keep slashing! Okay, what if we just go invisible? That didn't last long.